I want to show you on a couple pieces of wood here how we do this. So I'm going to cut this out very carefully. Remember, this is wet ink that's just laying there. And this has been laying there for probably about an hour now, maybe a little more. And so it still retains its liquidity, I guess. So anyway, here's the thing. You want to make sure that when you put this on here, you put it on with a purpose. So heavy pressure, right? We do not slide, we do not move anything now. So we rub it in with our fingers. And all we're doing is just giving the ink a chance to go across the wood and off this little piece of paper. Peel it off. There we go. And it's interesting because this is rough wood, right? So you see more of the wood grain in it and everything like that. What you don't really see are the lines that came off the printer. So I like that. The ink bleeds out a little bit and fills it out. So let's go for the good one here. I think I want this one right here because it does have the least lines. One thing you will get in trouble, like I said, if you don't put this on with intent, I'll show you real quick. You do this, just kind of move it, you get a blur. So it will give you trouble. Well, this is kind of neat. I might get a collage out of that. Kind of get the idea. I'm not going to set this one on top of that. I'll set this on this really clean desktop here and cut this last one out. Okay, so here we go. I've got to make this small enough that it fits inside my little serving tray here I've made. Now I want to also orient this. I love this little look right here with the ambrosia. So I want this to be in line with that. So this is going to make it a little more tricky. So that looks about right. Okay, with intent. And firmly press on everything. You're not really having to kill this. You're just really just running your finger across. Like you're going to squeegee out bubbles when you're putting on a cell phone protector on your cell phone screen. So, I mean, that's pretty good. I'm just giving it a little time to soak into the wood. Because the wood's sanded now, it is harder for this to soak in. So you want to give it a little more time. But look at the difference now. Now it's drying, so it's a little wet still. That little splotchiness will go away. And once that goes away, it'll look like this one right here. And it'll smooth out. That's so cool. So anyway, what do you want to put on this for protection? I'll show you over here. On this, I did a test, and it's exactly what I thought it would be. This right here is top coat satin Valspar that I put on there. Just some simple lacquer, right? On this one over here, this is hand rubbed polyurethane. You can see what happens at that point. It starts getting the black to bleed into everything, so it's not the best thing on earth. So you just want to take this, shake it up really well, and let's see. We'll use this. And that was easy. Okay, this won't pop out much, but it'll look good. But you can just spray this on here and that'll protect it. And then you'll have a really cool inkjet transfer on turned wood. So until the next time on wood turning, keep turning and transferring.